Hello everyone, and welcome back to the dealership. If you're in search of your next vehicle or need exceptional service for your current ride, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will be exploring everything that CarTech Plus in Plaistow, NH has to offer. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. CarTech Plus, located at 77 Plaistow Road, is not an ordinarily used car dealership. They have a wide range of around 60 vehicles available at any given time, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and convertibles. Whether you are a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, there is something for everyone here. CarTech Plus offers on-site services, which is one of the biggest perks for their customers. They have an on-site repair shop, where customers can count on expert maintenance and repairs without the hassle of finding a new service center. This makes the car buying experience streamlined and stress-free for the customers, right from the start. Are you considering financing your purchase? No need to worry. CarTech Plus provides customized financing solutions that cater to all credit levels. They comprehend that every individual has a distinct financial situation and work with you to find the most suitable option. Therefore, regardless of whether you have excellent credit or are working to improve it, they have got you covered. Trade-ins welcome. Got an old car you're looking to part with? Bring it over! CarTech Plus welcomes trade-ins, and they make the process super easy. Trading in your old vehicle can also reduce the overall amount you finance for a new one, making your upgrade more affordable. Operation hours and contact info. Ready to check out CarTech Plus for yourself? They're open Monday through Saturday, giving you plenty of time to swing by and find your next car. Remember, they're closed on Sundays to give their team a well-deserved break. You can also browse their inventory online at cartechdeals.com or call them at 603-974-7969 for more information. Before we wrap up, if you love finding out about the best local deals and automotive tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more content just like this to you. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're near Plaistow, NH, don't miss out on visiting CarTech Plus. It's more than just a dealership. It's a comprehensive car buying and servicing hub. Drop by CarTech Plus today and tell them we sent you. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep revving those engines and stay adventurous. Catch you on the flip side.